Let's get veggie.
Let's get veggie.
This way. Let's get veggie.
Let's
Get veggie. All right. Hey, what's going on, you guys? I'm Veggie Rolls. Welcome back to our channel. If this is your first time stopping by, don't forget to go ahead and click on that subscribe button. It looks like this, and the little notification bell next to it so that you will be notified every time a new video goes up, which is every Monday, Wednesday, and Sweet Saturday. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys, or we're going to be showing you guys, how to make a vegan version of honey orange chicken. So this is obviously not going to have chicken or honey in it, but it's going to be tofu instead, and it's going to be super yummy. So let's get veggie. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and get started. So here I have a half a block of 16-ounce tofu, of a 16-ounce package of tofu. And what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be cutting this kind of like lengthwise into 4 very thin strips. I'm not a huge fan of tofu, so I like to cut my tofu really nice and thin. If you prefer your tofu, like the texture of tofu, kind of like the spongy texture, then you can definitely cut this thicker. So then I'm going to go ahead and cut it in half again, and then I'm going to go ahead and cut it in like a sandwich. Yeah, exactly. I'm going to cut it like a sandwich across. And I'm just placing my tofu on a paper towel, and you don't have to do this step, but I like to do this step to sort of like get a little bit more of that liquid out before we start cooking it. So I'm just patting dry, or pressing dry, my tofu just a little tiny bit. You don't want to do too much. We're going to go ahead and place this into the pan to sort of like get a little more liquid out. Okay, guys, so I have my heat at about a medium-high heat. And I'm just going to go ahead and place our little tofu pieces in here. And basically what we're looking for is for like a little browning. And as these pieces of tofu brown, they're going to also sort of like release a little bit of that liquid and giving us like a nicer texture. I'm gonna squeeze a little bit, just lightly though. You don't want to like completely break these apart. And this is extra firm tofu, by the way. I'm not frying these. I just put a little bit of oil on the bottom just so that it doesn't stick. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and flip these guys. And I know a lot of people just toss in their tofu with whatever recipe they're doing, but the point of this is it just makes the tofu texture so much better. I'm not a huge fan of the texture of tofu unless like a lot of that liquid is pressed out. And since I don't have a tofu press, this is the easiest other option to do it. So we're gonna just cook this on this side until it also becomes nice and golden brown. I think this is perfect. Whoops. Jumped right out of the pan. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and remove these and just place these onto a paper towel lined plate. These haven't been fried, so you don't necessarily have to do paper towel lined plate. It's just, I'm just doing it for easy cleanup. Watch out, you're gonna spill it. All right, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and get started with our orange sauce. This is our sweet orange sauce. So I'm first gonna be adding in 1 cup of orange juice, and this is just like a bottled organic orange juice, like no extra added stuff, just plain old orange juice. We're adding a pinch of orange zest. All right, good job. And then for the spices, hold on, let me tell them what we're adding before we put them in. For the spices, we're gonna be doing I'm reading it because I usually don't do it with Mia, so I'm getting a little lost right now. So we have a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper flakes, of red pepper flakes. We have 1/8 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/8 teaspoon of ginger. Go ahead, toss it in. 1/8 teaspoon of ginger, and also about 1/8 teaspoon of black ground pepper. And then I'm also adding in 2 tablespoons of agave and 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. That's what just went in here. All right, so we're just whisking up the sauce before we turn on the heat. And as you can see, this push and pull battle we have going on here. This is what it looks like simmering at a medium-high heat. So I went ahead and bring this down to a low to show you how much it had reduced. But next we're going to go ahead and add in a cornstarch slurry. I have 2 teaspoons of cornstarch mixed with 3 teaspoons of water. And this is going to serve as our thickener. So I'm going to leave it at a low heat while it thickens so that any of that cornstarch flavor can be cooked out. So this thickens up really quickly. And we're going to go ahead now and add in our tofu. And you can go ahead and turn off your heat and just mix up your tofu with the orange sauce. Cooking the tofu first actually also helps to keep it together while you're mixing it up with the sauce. If you don't cook it, it tends to like break up. Or if you don't cook it enough, it'll also break up a little bit. So just once you have like a nice outer crispy edge to the tofu, it won't break up as easy on you. All right, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and plate this onto my little itty bitty plates. I just think it looks cute when it's on a little tiny plate. And you can actually eat this with some rice, like on a little bed of rice. You can also have this with some noodles. You can have this with whatever you like. I'm just garnishing it. You don't have to do all this extra stuff. So tossing a little bit of chopped green onions over top. And then there you have it. Here we have our tofu orange chicken. All right, guys, so you know what time it is. It's time for the taste test cam. So let's go ahead and give this a try. That's so yummy. You guys, I've never been a fan of tofu, but not just the sauce. The sauce isn't the only thing that I really like about this. The sauce is very, very, what is it? Very citrusy, really orangey, which is why it's called orange sauce. It's so yummy. It also has like a hint of spice because of the chili flakes. And it's just, oh, I'm burning some rice back here. So yeah, all in all, it's really good. But this technique, if you guys are not a fan of like orange, for example, you don't necessarily have to do the sauce. And if you guys are not a fan of tofu, I would highly suggest you try this technique of the really thin tofu and kind of like cooking out some of that water. I never thought I would be able to say that I could eat just plain tofu like that and enjoy it. But this is actually really good. So that's it, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to share this video so other people can see how delicious vegan food could be. Also, don't forget to tag me on Instagram, hashtag Let's Get Veggie, hashtag Veggie Rolls, if you make this recipe or any of my other recipes, because I would love to know how it turned out and how you liked it and all that good stuff. And yeah, I will talk to you guys very soon. Bye, guys.